So what's a quick way to make a painting better when you're almost at that end point and you just need maybe a little bit more to take that vibe home? So I've got two examples here. I just want to show you really quick because it doesn't take much sometimes. These are not completely done, but they're almost there. And one of the things that I learned a long time ago, and it's an easy thing to do, is to make each corner a little different, especially when I get to that finished mark. So if you look here, this is, of course, one of my landscapes. I love them, and I love anything sunset, sunrise. And here in the desert, we have these intense ones. And this is not quite finished, but I want to point out what I've learned to do over time, and that is to, when I can, make the corners, each one a little different. And all that does is add another dimension, depth, texture to like something that you already like, because we don't want to look at it and go, oh, this is just like plain. And you don't want to go overboard at the same time either. So generally, especially with something like a landscape here, it's easy for me to maybe come in here and bring a little more blue, because that would be different than this solid orange corner. And to bring some of the orange down here and keep this one the way it is. And it just adds that variety. And then of course I may come in with some details, but it's just a great way. And let me just show you another one too. And this is super easy to do with landscapes, but really anything is, this section is a little bit darker. This section is lighter, and there's some dark marks here that are not here. And then this color carries down here, but yet it's not, it's different there. And it's just these little subtleties that we look for to help take our art, just elevate it a little bit more and make it a little more interesting. Try that on yours and see how you feel and the direction it can take your art and how it can elevate it with just that one little thing.